Okay.
Oh!
Baba, Baba. Come on! Okay, let's go! Woo-hoo-hoo!
Ooh.
Hello!
Okay, let's go!
Bye, have a great time.
Thank you.
Pizza! Okay. Yow!
Okay. Nice!
Ooh.
Thank you. Thank you. Woo-hoo-hoo. Yippee!
Hey.
Good morning. Hello. I love it. Come on. Okay, let's go. Yeah. Thank you. Come on. Hey. Baba. Woo-hoo.
Nice!
Yay! Come on.
Okay, let's go. Ooh.
Okay, let's go. Okay.
Okay.
Oh no! Hey!
Oh no!
Oh my god!
Oh no!
Hey you! Nice!
Okay. Yippee! Yahoo! Come on! Yeah! Yow! All right!
Ooh.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Chica leg. Okay. Yahoo! No? Yuppie! Bye-bye!
Okay.
Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
Hey, what happened?
Okay. No, I love you. Okay, let's go. All right. Oh no! Yow! Okay. All right. Come on!
Okay.
Yummy. Thank you. Oh no. Oh no.
Okay.
All right.
Aha!
Yay! Okay. Yow! I'm sorry. Okay, let's I love you.
Ooh.
Okay. Okay. Nice!
Okay. Ooh.
Hey, what happened?
Hey!
Goodbye.
Ooh.
is watching TV. Dad bought a surprise gift for baby monkey. It's amazing and interesting. Let's go open the surprise gifts together. Goodbye and see you soon.
Good morning.
Hey, what happened?
Are you okay?
images are so colorful. The weather today is also very cool. The grass is so green. Everyone. Today is a beautiful sunny day. Brother is taking our two little friends out to play.
Yippee!
They carry many baskets. Maybe pick some fruit. The weather was also a bit hot, but everyone was still very excited. Oh, those are the stairs leading up.
Wow!
You'll have to walk.
Come on! Okay.
The two kids climbed on Brother together to continue the journey.
Ooh.
Turns out it was coconut. The waterfall is gorgeous. So today everyone will harvest coconuts. Coconut water is a delicious drink in this summer weather.
Ooh.
Okay. Okay. Oh, I love it.
Okay.
Bim Bim is so good. He knows how to put coconuts in the basket for Brother. Obi is still quite young to help. But he's also very cute.
Okay, let's go. Yahoo!
Let's go home and enjoy coconut water. See you again.
Obi was watching Bim Bim swimming happily.
Oh!
Wow! Hooray!
The balls are so colorful.